Yashika. I'm pursuing my BTech from the Noida University, Gurgaon. I've joined the web development course and in the APTRON Gurgaon branch, and my faculty is Mr. Parabjeet Singh. I've been taught since 2 weeks. I've been taught, and the faculties are very well educated, well trained, and overall, whatever I have learned, I'm pursuing it very, very well. The trainers provide you with a doubt session as well. Whatever doubts you have, you can get it cleared at the same time. The labs are also uh, very nice, and overall, I've got a very good experience here. Thank you.